All right, we're going to utilize the Alpaca Markets API to place a good till canceled buy limit order. We're going to go ahead and do it for General Mills, ticker GIS. You can see trading at 71.40, 71.39. Currently, the market is open. First thing we'll do is we'll come over to the API documentation here, head over to API reference. Alpaca Markets makes it nice for you to set up these requests just by adding in the parameters. If you don't have your key and your secret key in here, you can always come to your dashboard. You should save it in a safe place, but if not, you can click on regenerate, generate new keys. It's going to give you a new key. You place that in here and then grab the secret key, and then you can place that in here. Just know if you have any other code, you're going to have to replace those hard-coded keys for it. So like I said, we're going to do General Mills here. That's GIS. Quantity, we'll do 10 of them. I think it was traded around $71, so it'll be about $710, $715, something like that. We're going to keep it at a buy. This is going to be a limit order, and the time in force we're going to utilize is good till canceled. So the day order is only on the day that the order is live, right? So if it's not filled by 4 p.m., it's canceled. Good till canceled, the order is good until it's canceled, right? So it's going to keep that order placed until it is able to actually execute. So we've got good till canceled there, and then we just have to set our limit price. So like I said, it's trading at 71.41. We'll do it if it's $72. So just you place that in there just in case there's some sort of large increase in price and you entered a market order and you got it at a way higher price than you would have liked to. This prevents that from happening. This is the highest price that you'll pay, so it will execute at $72 or less. So let's go ahead and grab this request here. Come over to Jupyter Notebook. We can paste that in. I like to import JSON so that the return message, instead of print, do JSON.loads. It looks a lot nicer. It's just easier to read. The print is just going to give you long paragraph form text. So we'll shift enter to run this. You can see it ran it. This is our General Mills, 10 shares. This is a limit order. Limit price is 72. It's good till canceled, buy to open. So everything that we just talked about there, if we come back over to our dashboard, we can see that it did already execute that. The limit buy at 72, we got it at 71,448. So not bad there. So that is the good till canceled limit buy order. If we would have placed it, we could have put it at maybe 71. And if this price fell to 71 or below, then it would execute whenever that happened. You know, it could be a month from now. It's good till canceled order. It could have been at some point today. So that's pretty much it for the good till canceled buy limit order.